Hello everyone, I'm back with another Linux tutorial. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how we can install Java on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. So that's been said, let's get started. For that, you can use the terminal. To open your terminal, simply click on Show Application and here search for Terminal. Open the terminal. To open terminal, you can also use Ctrl-Alt-T. Here you will find your terminal. Here you have to run few commands. First of all, you have to update your apt package. To update your apt package, simply run sudo apt update and hit enter. Now enter your password and hit enter. Here you can see that all packages are up to date. Now you can install Java on Ubuntu operating system. Sometimes Java is already installed on your Ubuntu operating system. To check that, you can simply run this command. Java space ---- version. Then hit enter. If you find Java not found, that means Java is not installed on your Ubuntu operating system. You can use this command to install Java on Ubuntu. Here you will find Java 11, Java 18, Java 8, Java 17. So the latest version of Java is Java 18. If you want to install the default version of Ubuntu operating system, then you can use this command, that is sudo apt install default JRE. Now if you want to install the latest version of Java JDK, then you can use this command, that is sudo apt installed OpenJDK -18 -JRE -headless. After this command has been executed, you will find this kind of option. Do you want to continue? So if you want to continue with your installation process, simply enter Y, then hit enter. Here you can see our latest Java JDK is downloading, so it will take some time to download. Wait until the download process complete. After the download and install process has been completed, you will find done command. So let me clear this terminal. Now to check whether Java is successfully installed or not on your Ubuntu operating system, you can use this command. Java space ---- version. Then hit enter. If you find your Java version and the Java runtime environment build number and Java 64-bit server VM build number, that means Java is successfully installed on our Ubuntu operating system. There is another way of installing Java on Ubuntu. For that, you can use the Ubuntu Software Center. Just open Ubuntu Software Center and search for Java, and here you will find OpenJDK. This is the default version for Ubuntu operating system, and here you will find all the information about OpenJDK. Here you can also check the version. Now to install, simply click on this install button and it will get installed on your Ubuntu operating system. So that's it. This is how you can install Java on Ubuntu operating system.